Hello dear students and my dear friends, welcome back to my class Words of Wisdom. Dear students, I hope you have studied my last chapters very well, in which I have discussed with you the use of primary auxiliary verb to be and have. Today I am going to discuss with you the use of dummy subject. First of all, I want to make you clear the meaning of dummy subject. What is dummy subject? As we all know that the structure of every sentence is consisted with three main components, that are subject, verb and object. पर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमारे सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट होता ही नहीं है, या फिर सब्जेक्ट हमारे सेंटेंस में होता तो है पर वह कहीं और होता है, उसे हम डायरेक्टली एज सब्जेक्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में हमें एक ऐसे वर्ड की आवश्यकता होती है जिसे हम अपना सब्जेक्ट बना सकें। तो एग्जैक्टली वो वर्ड्स जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं हमारे सेंटेंस के स्ट्रक्चर को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, वो सब्जेक्ट डमी सब्जेक्ट कहलाते हैं। एंड दैट्स व्हाई we call them as artificial and empty subject also. And thus there are two such words which help us as subject in the formation of our sentence. And those two dummy subjects are there and it. These two dummy subjects are called as dummy pronouns also, as they were in place of noun, or we can say in the absence of noun. तो चलिए अब हम देखते हैं ये दो प्रोनाउंस हमारे सेंटेंस में किस तरह से काम करते हैं। The dummy subjects help us in the following ways. When we have no subject in our sentence. Next one, when we are not sure the thing, person or place we are talking about really exist. तो जब हमें ये बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं होता जिसके बारे में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं इस सेंटेंस में, वो वास्तव में अस्तित्व में है भी या नहीं है। Now let us clear it with some examples. Example number 1. There is a lot of noise. In this sentence, our subject is not clear. Now see one more example. It's getting a bit dark now. So we can notice both of the sentences are not referring to anything particularly. That is why we will use their dummy subjects there or it. So I hope now it has been very clear to you what is the meaning of dummy subject and how we use them. So in my next coming chapters, I will discuss with you the use of there and the use of it in detail. Thank you. Class is over.